Bona and welcome back to Bona's Kitchen. For today's episode, we will make pineapple upside down cake. Let's get baking. For the glaze and topping, we will need 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter, 1/2 cup of light brown sugar, 7 cherries, and 7 pineapple rings. For the cake mixture, we will need 1 3/4 cups of plain flour, 3/4 cup of white granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of soft unsalted butter, 1/2 cup of pineapple juice, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 2 eggs. You will also find the complete list of ingredients in the description below. The first thing we're going to do is to preheat our oven to 175 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, whisk together the melted butter and brown sugar. Whisk them until smooth and silky. Place the mixture into the bottom of a 9-inch baking pan. And smooth it out evenly using a spatula. Arrange the pineapple rings over it. And put the cherries in the middle of the rings. In another bowl, put the soft butter and the white sugar and whisk them together. Add in the eggs and pour the pineapple juice. Continue mixing until they are well combined. Sift together the flour, baking powder, and salt. Whisk them together until well combined and until when the mixture is lump-free. Pour the mixture into the baking pan. And smooth it out using spatula. Bake this in the oven for 30 minutes or until when the toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Using a spatula or a knife, cut around the edges of the cake pan to ensure it doesn't stick. Just like this. Place a board over it and flip it over. Give it a tap and remove it. Ta-da! And here's our finished product! It looks so beautiful, isn't it? You don't have to decorate it. If you like my recipes, hit the like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notified for the next delicious recipe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!